Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. Before starting today's video, I really want to wish you all a very happy new year. May God give you long life, all the wealth, health, success and everything what you desire for. I hope you are enjoying 2018. Let me know in the comment section below how you celebrated 2018, how you welcomed 2018 basically. So yeah, I enjoyed everything about 2018 and now let's proceed towards today's video. So guys, as new year has started, new month has started, so the new subscription boxes. So today in this video, I'm going to unbox January's the Euphorbia box with you all. So without a further ado, let's get started. Talking about the packaging first, this is how the outer packaging looked like. It is completely like a normal brown cardboard packaging where the brand name is embossed here. This is pretty normal kind of a packaging, nothing fancy. So when we open it, we get certain cards in it like team cards, product list card and some discount cards. So the first card I can see here is as they are wishing us Happy New Year. So I wish Euphorbia back same very Happy New Year. The second card which we see is the discount code and a gift card from a particular brand. The third is the January product list with their prices. So yeah, so these are the cards which I got to see in this box. Now let's proceed towards the products. The first thing which I can see in this box, which is very eye-catchy, which I can see in this box, are these pair of Afghan earrings with all these tassels. I hope you can see. These are Afghan earrings with red tassels. As you all know, Afghan earrings plus tassels are so in trend these days. I already have a lot of tassel earrings plus Afghan earrings, but as of now I didn't have something of this sort. Also, this is a little big in size. I always wanted to experiment new looks and I have never worn such earrings like this big. So I'm really excited to use these. I really like the color. This will perfectly go with all the ethnic dresses like Punjabi suits and some kind of traditional dresses. Really happy that I got these earrings in my Euphorbia box. And the price of these red threaded Afghan earrings is 345 rupees. So this is my first product. The second product which I got in this box is from the brand Cape of Good Soap. This is this bath salt which is in the variants Ocean Breeze. I really like bath salt for the fact that I can use them as a foot soak. Now honestly guys, I don't have such bathtub at my home where I can just put this bath salt and can make myself relax. But the other way, I use these bath salts as a foot soak and I really love that. I really love soaking my foot in hot water and relaxing myself. So I already have a lot of foot soak with me, which I'm really liking these days because winters are the best time to do foot soak every weekend, and every weekend I'm doing it. So yeah, I'm really happy that I have something in stock now. This comes in 70 gram of packaging at the price of 300 rupees, which is my second product. Now let's move towards my next product. The next product which I can see here is again from the brand Good Soap, Cape of Good Soap, which is the Spice and Orange Anti-Chap Lip Balm. Winters are the season when your lips chap the most. I think this is a perfect remedy and I'm really happy that this is in the tub form, not in a balm or like a tube form, because I don't like sharing my balm stick or maybe that tube stick with anybody. So if this is in a tub form, we can dip our fingers and can use it on your lips. And guys, one disclaimer I really want to give you: anytime if you use your fingers for any kind of a makeup or like lip product, make sure your hands and your fingers are super clean. So I can't see anything else on this apart from the name and variants of this balm, so I can't really talk much about it. But yeah, the price is 175 rupees. This is what I can read from the product list. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this. Of course, the box cannot be completed by the brand Monsup. Next thing which I got in this box are these eye masks, which are Bio Gold Collagen eye masks. They are quite hydrating. They help in whitening, moisturizing, they work on the wrinkle properties and they also minimize the pore. I already used a number of times this eye mask on my face from the same brand. I must say that they really work good on my face and also under my eyes and my face, and I'm really happy that every time I get a box I at least get a sheet mask or maybe the eye mask from Monsup, because this is like a perfect treatment if you don't want to spend much time on parlor, salons and facial. This is the perfect thing that you can just carry on. So yeah, this comes in 25 gram of packaging at the price of 200 rupees. So yeah, this is my fourth product. Now let's move towards the star product. Oops. Now let's move towards the star product. Last product which I will consider as a star product. I don't know whether you will consider it like that, but I consider it as a star product, and which is this mascara from the brand Matte Look ML. Now I really like this mascara for the fact that, first of all, look at the packaging, guys. The packaging is really cute. I'll show you the inside packaging. Just give me a minute. Okay, look at the packaging, guys. This is so pretty and cute. If you have used the Maybelline Falsy Drama Push-Up Mascara, which comes in pink and that purple kind of a packaging, this look exactly similar of that. You can say it is like in packaging wise, you can say it's like a dupe of that. This comes in 11 gram of packaging at the price of 400 rupees. I like the wand of this mascara too. This does have a lot of bristles which will help in separating and giving that volume to your lashes. So I'm really excited to use this. I'm really excited to try this on and see how this works, because I really love the packaging. This is really cute. I like exploring and trying out new brands. So yeah, this is my fifth product worth 400 rupees. So yeah, now I have completed my Euphorbia bag. So these are all the 5 products which I got in my January Euphorbia bag. As of now, at the price of 380 rupees, I think Euphorbia bag have given us a lot of good products, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the service plus whatever the products I got this time. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you like my unboxing. I hope you like the Euphorbia bag. If you want to buy one for yourself, the link is in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. So I shall meet you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a like. Let me know in the comment section below whether you like this video or not. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, you take care. God bless you. Bye.